Naga Jingtbit ban Shna yagi Philm gi bapau khmat hagarilom Atiar bat kajalahi barok away. Kakong Simi Khongthiang kalio apdyang yaga Jingpen kup Burom de Vocational Excellent Award naga Rotary Club Jowai haga Janmate khatn rew tarik ujemang arajar arpusan. Haga Jingyalang ha Infinity Restaurant ha Moralong Jowai yaga niga khusnam gabala IT the Rotarian Rajesh Batra Assistant Governor Zone 9 ubala shim niga benta ku mukongsan haga Jingedon lang gi khot ka Rotary Club bat kibala sha khot smob ha nalor ki wei di. Haba a jingkran haga niga skine leng ka kong Simi Khongthiang kala ong. Baga jing smotenat bat ka jing tray shitom ya ka kam kala aruban penlong kenrat haga kam. Kala ya tho lingkot ru shapang ka jing em bat ka jing sedang ban yok het yo so jong ka jing tray shitom na ka khusnam best script writer ka jilla na ka benta ka Philm the thelut nalor ki wei di ke khusnam.
Although I am a self-taught filmmaker without formal training, I have navigated this challenging journey for 17 years. I believe that when we choose our passion and dedicate ourselves to it, we become masters, not slaves. As a mother of 3 young children, when I began filmmaking, balancing motherhood and work was tough. However, I decided not to give up on my dreams. The turning point of my life came in 2013 when I was awarded Best Scriptwriter in the state for my film The Thelut by the first Khasi Film Award. This recognition boosted my confidence to share my stories with a wider audience. My latest film, Kachiti, which won the Best Director Award in Northeast at the Prague Cine Award 2024, was also showcased at the prestigious film festival across the country. This achievement has reinforced my belief that hard work and determination can take you anywhere, regardless of gender. Through storytelling, we can share unique experiences, traditions, and perspective of the community. Storytelling is also a powerful tool to address social issues, highlighting challenges and struggles faced by the community. Through filmmaking, we can not only share our opinions, but also preserve our heritage and build the bridges between communities. This brings satisfaction and gives us the potential to change life, passing down this valuable lesson to the future generation. As a filmmaker, I am proud to have created employment opportunities for young talents in our state. Among us today, I am delighted to introduce Samina Ipasa. She is a theatre actor and she is based in Mumbai and Jowai. Currently, she is my acting coach and she is also a script supervisor. She is the proof that nothing is impossible, and we are here to guide aspiring filmmakers. There are numerous roles in filmmaking beyond direction, such as script writing, editing, sound recording, production designing, and so many more. As I wrap up my speech, I would like to conclude by saying the future of filmmaking is bright. Let's inspire and empower these new upcoming talented individuals to bring their visions to life.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam badon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.